Hey Greg, can you tell me how we can improve the AI system to make the next conference better?
Yeah, I think for me, I come to these events as an investor. I come to these events to prospect with startups, but also to network with other investors. So for me, the first thing I do is download the conference app and get the attendee list to figure out who's here and who I might want to network with. But it would be great if Sam could do that. If I could just ask Sam, hey, Sam, give me a list of all of the North Carolina VCs that are at this event, or give me all the companies that are doing AI, at this event, or whatever. I could submit a query and have it automatically give me a list of attendees that match my criteria, versus me having to go to the download the app. Now I've got another app on my phone that I'm going to have to erase at some point anyway, and then it'd just be great if the AI could really allow me to better use attending lists to accomplish my objectives.
All right, that's great feedback. Appreciate it, Greg.
Sure.